Hello and welcome, friends. You're listening to Weekly AI News with Shaily. I'm Shailendra Kumar, your guide on this thrilling journey through the newest and most impactful happenings in AI and machine learning. This week, we've got breakthroughs that are shifting the AI landscape, from the highways where autonomous cars roam to your favorite online stores, and some fascinating industry moves that hint at where AI's heart is beating fastest in 2026. So, buckle up. Let's dive straight into it. First up, NVIDIA has just raised the autonomy bar with their latest marvel, Alpamayo 1, a 10 billion parameter vision language action model. Think of it as a brain for self-driving cars and robots that doesn't just act but thinks through complex scenarios, like a seasoned driver calmly navigating a chaotic street. What makes Alpamayo truly special is its chain of thought reasoning, meaning it generates a decision trail that lets us understand why it acts the way it does. This is a massive leap beyond rule based systems that often felt like black boxes. Why does this matter? Well, explainability combined with multimodal reasoning unlocks more trustworthy and adaptable autonomous systems, paving the way faster toward level 4 and 5 autonomy, where cars handle nearly all driving without human intervention. Partners like Hyundai and Boston Dynamics have already jumped on board, signaling a future where AI powered vehicles and robots seamlessly interact with the messy real world. Here's a curious thought. As machines show us their thought processes, how might this change our trust and liability in autonomous technologies? Something for all of us to ponder. Now, switching gears but staying with NVIDIA, they also rolled out Nemotron Speech ASR, a lightning fast speech recognition model. Imagine real time captions or voice assistants that respond 10 times faster without sacrificing accuracy. And you've got Nemotron. Its low latency and edge ready profile means this tech can be embedded in devices right where you need it. No cloud lag, no privacy trade offs. From a practical standpoint, this is a game changer for accessibility tools, live broadcasts, and voice driven agents demanding instant, reliable responses. Plus, it's open source, which encourages innovation beyond NVIDIA's walls. Here's a bonus tip for developers listening. Consider how latency reductions like these can improve user engagement and satisfaction in voice first apps, especially where every millisecond counts. Speaking of autonomy, Fujitsu is taking enterprise AI on site with their new Autonomous Generative AI Platform. That's a mouthful, but the essence is this: companies in regulated industries, think healthcare, finance, government, often can't rely on cloud AI due to data sovereignty concerns. Fujitsu's platform offers an on premise solution managing the whole AI lifecycle, from model building to multi agent coordination. What's exciting, this enables continuous self improvement and efficiency gains without giving up control, and it lowers barriers for secure private AI adoption. Enterprises can now have their own AI brain that learns over time inside their firewall. A question for tech leaders: how ready is your organization to shift AI operations back in house? And what opportunities does that unlock beyond compliance? Meanwhile, the Technology Innovation Institute presented a fascinating hybrid model called Falcon H1R7B, a lightweight AI engine punching well above its weight class. With just 7 billion parameters, it's outperforming models 7 times its size on reasoning tasks, all while being faster and more memory efficient. This proves that scale isn't everything, especially when smart architecture and training techniques come into play. It's a shining example of making cutting edge AI accessible, ideal for devices with limited hardware, accelerating the agentic AI movement where autonomy and efficiency coexist. For all the AI practitioners out there, this could be your blue ocean for innovation, focusing on smart efficiency rather than brute force. Finally, Microsoft is stepping up the retail game by integrating AI with commerce through Copilot checkout and brand agents on Shopify. What does that mean? Imagine AI assistants not just helping you browse, but completing purchases seamlessly via PayPal or Stripe integrations, tailoring shopping experiences automating workflows, and boosting sales. This comes on the heels of a predicted agentic AI market explosion from 5.2 billion in 2024 to a staggering 200 billion by 2034. The AI assistant on your favorite shopping website might soon become your trusted personal shopper, negotiating deals and sorting your cart, all powered by intelligent automation. I can't help but wonder, as AI becomes our digital shopping sidekick, how will that change the very nature of retail and human decision making? Bringing it all together, these stories aren't isolated sparks. They're threads weaving the very fabric of 2026 AI trends. We see agentic AI at the center, where autonomous decision making meets multimodal reasoning, efficient small models knit into production pipelines, and a strong push for explainable, private, and faster AI solutions. But the standout star this week, without a doubt, NVIDIA's Alpamayo 1. It's the bridge between theoretical AI and its lived reality in vehicles and robots. Its capacity for explainability in physical AI could set the tone for the entire industry's trustworthiness and adoption rate in the coming years. To close, I'll leave you with a quote that sums up this wave of AI evolution from reasoning machines to autonomous commerce. The best way to predict the future is to build it. And folks, with these developments, we're firmly in the build phase. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for video breakdowns. Follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn for daily insights, and read my articles on Medium. You'll find fresh perspectives and tips all week long. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe wherever you get your podcasts, share this episode with fellow AI enthusiasts, and drop your comments or questions. Let's keep this conversation alive. Until next time, this is Shaily signing off. Stay curious, stay inspired.